Today, we're transforming drab walls into bright, airy backdrops directly in Lightroom, even if they started off a bit yellow or dingy. First, let's head over to the basic panel. We'll adjust the white balance to neutralize any obvious color casts. Click on the eyedropper tool. Now, click on an area of the wall that should be perfectly white or a neutral gray. This will give us a good starting point for accurate colors. You might see an immediate improvement. Next, we're going to dive into the HSL color panel. This is where we'll specifically target those stubborn yellow or orange tones that often plague interior walls. Select the color tab. Look for the yellow and orange sliders. We're going to desaturate these colors by dragging their saturation sliders to the left. Be careful not to overdo it, as some objects might unexpectedly lose their natural color. Now, we'll move over to the luminance section for the yellow and orange tones. Increase the luminance for these colors by dragging their sliders to the right. This will brighten up those areas, making them appear even whiter. Finally, for that extra punch of clean white, navigate down to the calibration panel. This powerful tool allows for subtle but impactful global color shifts. Here, subtly increase the saturation of the blue primary. This often helps to counteract any residual yellow and cools down the overall image, enhancing that pristine white look. And there you have it. Beautifully clean, bright white walls, transforming your interior shots into airy, aesthetically pleasing images. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more photography tips.